In this video, I will cover 4 different ways you can use to make money on the Crypto.com app. Now, none of these are guaranteed, so there are risks with every single one. But the first option is Crypto Earn, and this is the closest to passive income. So you can lock up your cryptocurrency or stable coins to earn interest. If you want to use this, at the top of the home screen, click Earn. And here what you can do is stake or lock up a certain currency. For example, under my assets, I have some Crow right here. If I go and select that, you can see here how much I can do. So if I just click max, then I have very little currently, but the estimated rewards rate per year is 5.34%, which is not bad. So I can stake it now. It will be activated the 10th of June, and the first reward will be gotten on the 11th of June. There is an unbundling period of approximately 29 days, so if you unstake, you cannot really use it or withdraw it for 29 days. Now you just need to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and you can click confirm stake, enter your passcode, and now I am staking my Kronos right here. So that's way number 1, and this can generate a couple percent per year. The next one is the Crypto.com Visa card. So if you click card in the bottom right, by staking Crow in the app, you can order a metal Visa card that pays you back in Kronos every time you spend money. So depending on your staked tier, you earn varying percentages of cashback on everyday purchases. Higher tiers also provide 100% rebates on specific streaming subscriptions. So if you go to shop here at the top, you can already see some cashback stuff like the Crypto.com shop, Ledger, All Reward Points, and some other brands that you can purchase from right here with cashback. And in the top right, you can see that for me it says basic. If I click on that, then right here I can choose to upgrade by again clicking on upgrade in the top right. And then here I can select a different plan. So right now I'm on basic, which is free, and you can earn 1.41% on your cash per year. But if you go to Plus, for example, then you can either subscribe for €4 a month, or you can stake €450 worth of Crow. This means you will get 0 trading fees per month up to 20k, 2% card spending rewards, and 1.56% APR on cash. Then you have Pro, and you have Private, which if you have, for example, €450,000 of Crow staked, you can get 0 trading fees on unlimited trades, 5% card spending rewards, 2.59% APR in cash, 0% foreign exchange fees, and 6.3% estimated CRO staking reward per year. So pretty cool. Then the next way you can make money on Crypto.com is obviously by just investing in crypto, and you can set, for example, target price orders, so set specific buy or sell prices for your tokens. Then the app automatically executes the trades when your target is reached, helping you buy the dip or sell the peak, for example. And of course, you never know exactly when that is, so this is by far not guaranteed. Then the last way I want to cover is missions and rewards. You can earn free crypto just by being active on the app daily. If you go to the home screen and click on the little gift icon in the top right, you can see right here that you can earn rewards. For example, I can claim my daily reward here for today, and I've received 1 diamond. Then if I head over to the store here, I could, for example, buy a mystery box for 25 diamonds, a 3-month UFC Fight Pass subscription for 2,000 diamonds, or a signed 76ers jersey for 30,000 diamonds, and they have more stuff right here. And under missions, you can see your missions here. So I have daily missions, for example, buy or sell €90 equivalent of cryptocurrency in a single transaction, and then under that, buy or sell €450 equivalent worth of cryptocurrency in a 24-hour period. And that would give me 50 diamonds, which would be enough to buy one of those boxes. So that's another way that you can make money on the Crypto.com app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.